Hi everybody. I'm really missing teaching my art class, and I thought art's really therapeutic, so I'm going to do a tutorial on just a little art therapy for everyone out there who's quarantined at home and maybe you've been wanting to try art lately and maybe not sure where to start. So I've mixed up some black. I have three colors, primary, the red, yellow, and blue. So equal amounts of those makes black. And usually I don't like to use black until the end of like whatever I'm painting because it's so strong and it's hard to correct if I use too much. So, but today I'm going to do a little different tutorial here and go ahead and get my paper wet. The paint spreads so much better, especially for backgrounds, and thinking just like a nice hazy, maybe like a cloudy sky background. I like to use my number 1 brush here. It's really fine and delicate, and that's my preferred brush, but today I'm actually going to use a different brush. This for the background. This used to be a makeup brush, but I don't wear makeup anymore, so I'm just going to use this for my watercoloring. It's nice and big, and I'm just going to load my brush here, and art is just so therapeutic. I love it, and I just want to share it with everybody. I just want to make sure I have enough water mixed in here. Alright, so thank you for joining me. I hope you like this tutorial. I feel better already.